Hey, this is Ash here with FingerStrong, and as per typical, people call me a bag whore. I like to think of myself as a hoe bag. Hey, this is a great little thing right here. You're probably thinking, what is this? Well, this is a drop pouch. It's called a spanker for the bottom of your vest, and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so on the back we got our typical Molle, so you can attach it conventionally to your Molle. You just weave and attach it. But this thing has this, which is extra. This is what's called the spanker, which I think is hilarious. This attaches to underneath your vest. This is the Velcro that goes underneath your vest. You know when you put your vest over Velcro? This will fit, so this will hang at the bottom of your vest. Over your belly, over your crotch, depending on how long your vest is. And I've used this because my vest is like a tank top because I'm all torso. And so I needed, more room, basically. So I got this and it covered up over the belly, the top of the belt buckle, for me at least. And extra room, extra pouches, like I said, attaches to underneath where you attach your Velcro. Inside, this thing is great. You got a big pouch here, about 2 handfuls inside that pouch right there. Big one, 2 handfuls too. And on this side, you have like little magazine holders. This is what I figure they are. Put some magazines there if you want to, or a tourniquet, or medical supplies, whatever you want to put there. Little drain hole at the bottom. But yeah, little magazines in there. And then you got this pocket here. Oh, I still got gloves in here. That's funny. Nice big pocket right here. Also more Molle there, put more stuff, a little morale patch. So this thing is like $23 on Amazon. $23.60 I believe I paid for it. Nice heavy duty zippers. Looks like they're not going nowhere. Probably paracord. They zip up nice. And if you want a little extra pouch at the bottom of your vest, medical supplies, you put a little medical thing there and put all your medical in here if you wanted to, your trauma pack. This is a great little purchase right here. The Excellent Elite Spanker. Isn't that crazy name? That's what it's called. Tactical drop, dump pouch, Molle tool pouch, and hook and loop carry kit bag for tactical vest chest rig. Check it out on Amazon. We'll put a link below as usual, so you can go right to the website where I got this from and look at the reviews. It's got like 4.5 stars, I believe. The thing is perfect for your vest. Looks cool too. Thank you.